Welcome back. In part 2 of our journey, we leave the marble palaces of Venice behind to discover the colorful spirit of the lagoon. Our first stop is Burano, an island that feels like a painter's palette come to life. Legend says the houses were painted brightly so fishermen could find their way home in the fog. Every street here is a celebration of color. It's impossible not to feel a sense of joy wandering these kaleidoscope-like pathways. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Burano is also famous for its needle lace, a tradition dating back to the 16th century. Each piece is a labor of love and immense patience. The reflections in these quiet canals create a symmetrical world of color that is truly mesmerizing. As we bid farewell to the colors of Burano, we head across the water to an island where fire and sand create art. Welcome to Murano, the heart of Venetian glassmaking for over 700 years. In 1291, all glassmakers were ordered to move here to protect the city from the risk of fire. It became a guarded secret of the Republic. Watch as a master artisan transforms a simple lump of molten glass into a delicate work of art in just minutes. It requires a perfect balance of strength and finesse, a skill passed down through generations of Murano families. The results are legendary, vibrant colors and complex patterns that are sought after by collectors worldwide. Beyond the workshops, Murano has its own quiet landmarks, like this lighthouse that has guided lagoon traffic for nearly a century. The Church of San Donato is famous for its 12th century mosaic floor and a style that echoes the golden age of the lagoon. Murano offers a slower pace than the main island, perfect for a contemplative stroll along the water. Between these islands, you truly feel the scale of the Venetian lagoon, a delicate ecosystem that has protected the city for over a millennium. The lagoon is dotted with forgotten islands, each with its own story of solitude and survival. As we return toward the main island, the familiar silhouette of Venice greets us once more. Our journey isn't over yet. In part 3, we'll go off the beaten path to explore the hidden gems and secret gardens of the city. The lagoon holds a magic all its own. Thank you for exploring its islands with me. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. See you in part 3.